Hi guys, I'm Gino.
I'm Dino.
We're the Boom Twins. Okay, our video for today, we are going to Little Baguio. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, to start our ride, we're gonna have breakfast first.
Yes, Pares.
Pares. Hello, hello. Okay, Sir Marjay, his bike. Oh, thank you again from last video. We're gonna eat here. Pares at and Mami House. JV's Pares pala. And then they added the bike rack. Galing. This is my baby. I miss you, baby. Okay. My brother's baby also. Okay, so we're gonna have Pares. Yum yum. Then, wow, City Cafe from 7-Eleven. We're having two. Nice. What's we're having?
Ubus na.
Ay, sayang, maganda ka.
Sayang.
Gutom eh.
Ano yung sa'yo? Ano yung sila?
Medium lang.
Ayan, ano yung sa'yo? Okay, Pares din. Yan. Ay!
Soup. Sarap, sarap. May ahon mo yung mamaya.
Rice.
Alright. Still on our way. To Little Baguio. I still feel full from the rice I ate from the Pares. Bike I'm using. My baby. My baby's back. Okay. I changed the brakes last time. Gino Boom. Yo.
Taking a short break. We bought some water before the climb. Yon. A water bottle. Buti nga, there's water everywhere. But I think the pag-climb namin, wala nang store. So we have to refill water first.
Sabi mga girls, lalakas. Lakas talaga mag-bike. Ay, malakas, nakasaan to. Nawala yung balance sa camera side lang, kaya Leslie. Nako. Huwag kang masemplang. So, we're approaching the climb. Okay. The gradient, I think, is just like 7. But once we go up, I think it'll be like 12 lang. Okay, we're still climbing with Gino Boom. The gradient's not so high, it's like around 7 gradient. We're taking it slow. It's bikes. You know, bilis sila, mountain bikes. Well, just taking it slow, reserving energy, enjoying the view and the traffic. So much traffic. Traffic. First long ride. Nice. think the gradient here is highest, I think only 15. We're moving very slow. You can see behind there's a big slope, and in front very big slope. The gradient's not so high. Now it went back down to 9. Yeah, just moving slow lang. Okay, chill. Rest muna kami. Okay. With everyone. Nice, Coach Anchor. Sir Marjay. Yung King Guava. Ay!
King Guava.
And then yung Princess Guava nasa likod. Yeah! Ito, si Masco Rider. Ay, hindi, si Mayora na pala. Mayora, hello. Boboto kita.
Yeah.
Boboto kita.
Gusto ko yung Marites eh.
Marites.
Yung palang Marites, ano yun? Mari, anong latest?
Can I drink? Share tayo. Is it good? Yeah, it's good coffee. How's the coffee, bro? 3 in 1. Ako, isa lang, 1 on 1.
Kanina nandun na sa may
Okay, so we're here already at Little Baguio. It's so cool. Woo! Hello. Good morning. Oh, sorry. So cool, bro. So nice. Ganda ng place. I mean, it's hot, but because of the trees, it feels cold. Right? Yeah. Oh, ganda ng view. Oh, God.
Welcome to Baguio.
Yeah, Baguio, Antipolo. Baguio na mainit. Grabe. Ooh. Yeah, video. May dami nagpipicture.
Ano bang meron pa?
Nice. Okay, we're done taking pictures. I really had fun. I wanna stay longer, but they're restricting people. Yeah, restricting people coming in. They didn't allow motorbikers, but they allowed the cyclists come in. Well, everyone's here. Ganda. Nice. So windy and sunny. I can't explain the weather, but it feels good. Like it's a lot of windy, because of the trees, I think. But it's warm at the same time, so combination of both. Nice to go here. Really nice. It's worth it. I think total ride we had for almost 50 kilometers total. No? Around 50 or 49. Almost 50, yeah. 49 sa akin. Yeah.
49. So it's 49 from Caloocan.
I'll be doing it now. Yeah. Video. Okay, gravel bike. Oh. Yun,
fun trail. Okay, we used our gravel bikes. Okay, proven and tested. Carbon, Lodi. Okay, proven and tested. Even Loy. Lakas.
Picture, phone ko, phone.
Lahat sila.
Kaya natin couple bike pictures. Wala.
Grabe. The trail was good, okay? I hope you enjoyed that video. I made a short video on the trail. Wow. Using the Maxi Stars. Woo, Maxi's Rambler. Okay. 40C. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Guys, may ahon ah.
Alright, so this is what we're after. We're after the view. Okay, ganda ng view. Okay, so you bike, check the view. That's the advantage, that's the reward. Nice picture si Loy. Ay, nice one. Ganda ng view. Right guys, so we're at Capares. Right, Capares. Capares. Wow! Marjay,
Pares
Loy,
con
everyone.
huevos.
Okay. Dinos, what's your food?
Tapsilog. The
Tapsilog.
best looking tapsilog, guys.
Wow,
Grabe.
Grabe, everyone's here.
Parang mukhang presyong 300 pero ano lang to.
This is just how much?
100 something.
140, 130. Diba? Wow, lagi naka-cellphone. Ito, Coach, hi daw sa mga subscribers mo.
Lunch tayo, lunch.
Yeah. Follow him in his YouTube account din.
After ng sobrang downhill, lunch tayo.
Yeah, lunch tayo. Chicken pa. Pwede, Dennis.
Walang kapares. Walang kapares.
Ay, yan na. Kaibigan.
Yun, may chicken pa.
Okay guys, so we're here at Lay-Bay. Lay-Bay, alright. Lay-Bay, nice. Okay, magko-coffee si Hiwaw. Manlibre ata si Hiwaw. Yay! Alright, Lay-Bay Coffee. Alright, so you can check their Instagram page. Can you hold it? Okay. So here it is. Ah, manlibre ata si Aleli. Manlibre ka ba? No? Oh, sad.
Ay, si CR ko.
Wow. So here's their order. Okay, store hours 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. na. So, Americano. Nice. Yun. Okay, we're having coffee. Yum, coffee. Okay. Grilled cheese. Margie, what are you having? French vanilla. Yun, French vanilla. How about you, Loy?
French vanilla din.
Yan, French vanilla. Ako, what am I having?
Ay, hindi pala ako French vanilla. Spanish latte ako.
Spanish ako. I'm gonna have adobo coffee. Adobo coffee, what's that?
Sikat kaya.
So it's here, located in Marikina. Okay, it's just in the side of the road. Yan, ganyan lang siya. Okay? Yan lang siya.
French vanilla sa akin.
Alright, so we're gonna take this Levi coffee. Oh my gosh, sarap! Sarap, sweet. I ordered hazelnut. It's I can still taste the caffeine. And what did Dino order? The latte, I think. French vanilla pala. Okay, sarap. You can check their Instagram account, guys. Yung truck. You can check their Instagram and Facebook. Okay, Marikina. So the one I have here, lay-by, it's only 135 pesos. The one Dino got is French vanilla. I enjoyed. I like this kind of local coffee shops, you know, emerging instead of just buying the same old branches like Starbucks. At least you get to try different. Yeah, support local. Support local. It's a small business. Okay, bike-friendly place because right beside it they have a shop for bikes. Okay, you can repair. You can have it clean, then have it repainted. I think I'm gonna have mine repainted as well.
You can also check it out.
Yeah,
I'll show you guys.
it's all in the link. Okay. The only problem with this place, you really need a bicycle because it's here, located here. There's no chairs. Yup. It's usually for takeout. Yeah, if you're a cyclist, it's nice to, you know, have your coffee, like take to go coffee. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe in this channel. If you want us to go somewhere,
Let us know
or
in the
try,
comments.
yeah, comments, or you want us to go to a certain coffee shop, alright, we can try it out. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next one.